For accomplishing the desired lighting effect, you always need more than just a few lights. Hi, I'm Peter Lan with Godox. Today I'm going to introduce the Godox Scrim Flag kit. This versatile lighting control system has two versions in total, the SF6090 kit and the SF4560 kit. They are both made up of 5 pieces of lightweight flag fabrics and 3-sided folding flag frames, which can be used to set up flags for shaping, blocking, or diffusing the light, as well as 2 groups of fingers and dots to allow finer adjustments. However, the flag size of the SF6090 kit is 24 by 36 inches or 60 by 90 centimeters, while in the SF4560 kit, it is 18 by 24 inches or 45 by 60 centimeters. This is specially designed for meeting individual needs, which allow you to choose what you need according to the actual situation. You may also notice the orange label on the side of the case. This can help you easily identify on the set. To set up the flags, you just need to fold up the 2 collapsible arms from the center bar at 90-degree angles and then lock into place. Then slide in the fabric over the arms of the frame via the slots on the fabric edges. Lastly, secure tightly at the bottom by the Velcro. The open edge of the flag is designed with no binding, therefore giving no more harsh shadows due to the edge. The flag fabrics are labeled with industry standard color, which shows different sorts of functions, also for you to quickly select on set. With the 3/8-inch mounting pin on the end of the frame, the flags can be mounted on any standard grip head. The Scrim Flag kit of Godox comes with 5 different flag screens, ranging from white silks, black block solid, to nets. The black single or double net can be used to vary the highlight part on the subject, thereby altering the contrast of light and dark to achieve more balanced pictures. The one-stop silk mainly works on the dark area to adjust the light and dark contrast of the picture, cutting the dramatic shadows, leaving fine-tuned pictures. The black block solid is perfect for blocking all unwanted illuminance or creating more shadows, and the 2-stop silk could be used to diffuse available lighting, giving soft, even tones. The dots and fingers in black net and solid fabrics will allow you to shape light just like the flags of black net and solid, but on smaller objects or areas. They're ideal for tabletop shooting or in situations where the larger fabrics are inconvenient. Once the shoot is over, it would be easy to pack up. The flag frames and fabrics can be simply folded back and stored into the convenient little carry case. With that ergonomic handheld, you could just comfortably carry it around or transport it to the next location. The Godox Scrim Flag kit offers you a versatile, compact, and portable light modifying solution. It is the light modifying kit you really need, giving you better shooting production whenever and wherever. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'm Peter Lan with Godox, and see you next time.